How to make consistent characters in Sora 2. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make consistent characters in Sora 2. If you're looking for weight animations with characters that maintain the same look and feel throughout different scenes, then you've come to the right place. So let's dive in and get started with crafting those consistent characters. First, we're going to focus on the main character because they will anchor your entire project. It's essential to either generate or upload a clear image of your character from a front view. This image will serve as your visual reference for the character across every scene you'll create. Think of it as a blueprint. You'll rely on this image to ensure the continuity of your character's appearance. Make sure that this first step is done with attention to detail because it lays the foundation for what comes next. Once you have your reference image ready, just simply click on the image right here, go with the plus on the left side, choose from the library, go with the image, and then go with use selected media. Now it's time to develop a base prompt. The base prompt should outline specific traits of your character that are crucial to their identity. Include detailed descriptions like hair color, clothing style, and any other distinguishing features. Don't forget to mention the setting or scenes where these characteristics will stand out. For instance, if your character's outfit changes colors based on different locations, make a note of that here. Run a short test clip to see if it matches your reference image. This test is vital as it acts like a trial run, allowing you to make sure that your character's main attributes have been accurately captured according to your specifications. After testing, it's time to expand your scenes. While preserving the character's consistent appearance, this is where Sora 2 remix or extend features become really handy. By applying these features, you can add new scenes with the assurance that your character remains true to the original design. Your base prompt and reference image remain constant throughout this process, ensuring consistency. With each new scene, keep referring back to these tools so the core elements of your character remain intact. As you move through creating different scenes, make sure to keep evaluating the accuracy of the character in each time. It's important to pay close attention to how the hair, clothing, and overall style hold up in different contexts and complexes, which might emerge as you expand the project. If you spot any differences, then revisit your base prompt and reference image to recalibrate your inputs, ensuring a seamless and coherent look across all scenes. And that's how you maintain character consistency in Sora 2 by following these steps and utilizing the right tools. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.